What's up, nerds? Phoenix from Phoenix TV here with another edition of Let's Play Trivia Pursuit Bird's Brain, whatever other nonsense is attached to this thing. I'm going to do a 3-rounder this time. The 5-rounders are getting really long, and this game tends to glitch up if you play it for too long. So I'm going to stick to 3-rounders and see what I can do with it. I don't know that I battled the chef yet. Correct answer is worth points. We got it.
Round 1. It's Switchagories.
Oh, we get to start with Switchagories. That's interesting. Alright. Entertainment, quiz, and arts and literature.
Pick a category, player
I
one.
would like history.
History.
I like history. It was last in England, I think. Oh, dang. I didn't know that. Obviously, I didn't know that. Yeah, that's not a great way to start.
But not out.
Oh, well. Evelyn, go.
Player 2. Go ahead. Arts and literature.
Arts. Not a Branch sister. Mary? I don't even know who the Branch people are. So I'm glad I got it. Okay, good for you.
Congratulations.
Ugly.
And what would you like as your bonus? Science and nature.
Science. Rhinovirus, that's of the nose, so anything nose-based, such as the common cold. It pays to live with a nursing student.
Incredible! Time to switch categories, player. Geography.
Geography. Not what I would think is one of my specialties, but it's statistically one of my highest scoring categories. Kenya. Oh. I don't know about mountains or where they are. So I'm in last. Lovely.
Time to switch those categories. Player 1, take your science and nature.
Kind of data storage is accessible from any device anywhere. That sounds like cloud storage. Saw LAN and thought clan. Lost my mind, but that ties me up for the lead. It gets me my first wedge. Sweet.
Let's switch up the categories. History.
You know, if we all got this, we'd be tied. That's a thought. Qantas. They have a kangaroo, I guess. Ah! And look at that. My prediction about all of us getting it right, tying us up, led to all of us getting it right and everybody being tied with 2 categories left. Sweet.
Very nice. And for our category choice, geography.
Finishing a lot of missions in this. I don't even know what the missions are.
Let's mix it up.
What is the name of the substance that erupts from a volcano? Lava. No, Mackenzie, it's not Feldspar. Sorry to tell you. Welcome to last place.
Last question.
One more wedge.
Player 4, pick your bonus category.
To get me 2 wedges in the first round. Just gotta get an arts and literature question right. Not great at literature. Langston Hughes. No clue. Not entirely sure why you change your name to that, but I guess that's why he's impressive. Got a gold medal and I don't.
What a round!
In fourth.
In third.
Tied for second.
For second place. And in the lead.
And Duncan out in front. Well done, Duncan.
Let's take a look at how that next wedge is coming along.
He's got to wait for his next wedge. And I'm right on his tail, too. So.
On to the next round.
I guess it's not that far of a game regardless.
Second round. It's Grab Bag Blitz. Time to check out what this round is all about.
Grab Bag Blitz. What are you going to go with, Mackenzie?
Which category do you prefer for the entertainment?
Her thing is an arts and literature thing, but she goes for entertainment on the... Okay. Titles of the TV series Survivor. They've had... China. Were they in Micronesia once? I feel like they were. They were.
Let's see which are correct.
Thailand and Borneo. Alaska would be interesting though. Although I think it'd be a lot more dangerous, I guess. Latin Grammy for Best New Artist. Nope. I don't know my Latin Grammys. What are you talking about? This guy. No. Gosh, dang it. I got that one. Dang. Just shots in the dark. Ah.
We've got a rivalry
that round
forming
put me
here.
Behind. One Direction songs. What else is there? No. Dang. We all got it wrong. Tied for first. Stars on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Dang it! This is bad. Him. He seemed famous enough to have one. And I would gather that Jim Carrey probably is too. Wow! What do I know? Get it wrong. Oh, I don't get another guess.
Here's the final question.
Mackenzie gets to pick the final one.
You can turn things around here, player 4.
We're all right together.
Science and nature.
Science. Which of these fields are types of medical doctors? Ornithology. No! What am I doing? That's bad. Oncology. That's definitely one. What is ornithology? I know I've heard of that, but I can't think of what it is. Oh well. Anesthesiologists. That's what Lady Phoenix wants to be. Obstetrics and dermatologists. Paleopathologists? Okay.
Another round comes to an end.
The round ends. I think I have the lead, actually.
And we have a tie for second place.
Yes, I do.
Place.
Sweet. Won't help me a lot, but, you know, if we come down to a tie situation, I get the win. But it's not by much. Ooh.
The show's not over yet.
3 wedges to win. Most wedges to do well. Is it close?
Answer a series of rapid.
Alright.
Hobbies
Sports.
and games, food
I
and
like
fun.
sports.
It's time
We
for
go
sports
cricket
and
or
leisure.
baseball? First played in... Well, cricket would be older, wouldn't it?
Don't worry.
Yeah.
You'll be back for the next category.
I think baseball's a little newer than that. Flat bat is cricket. And the wedge goes to
Sorry.
Phoenix.
Incorrect answers mean you're out until the next category.
Easy,
Each category is worth
easy.
a wedge.
Orange wedge.
Culture events, both past and present. It's history.
Alexander or William? That would be Alexander because William is English.
Oh, too bad. One
Whereas
wrong
Alexander is
answer
Greek.
and you're out until the
So
next
that fits
category.
him. Conquered the Persian Empire. Again, that would be Alexander.
Oh, too bad. One wrong answer and you're out until the next
William
category.
the
Last player
Conqueror.
standing in the category gets the wedge.
He stopped the Normans, or he tried to stop the Normans, or he was the Normans. Anyway, it was
Landmarks and
English,
customs, cultures, and places. It's
not
geography.
mainland Europe. Panama Canal connects the Atlantic and the Pacific
And
because
the contest
major trading
continues.
routes, so they didn't have to go all the way around South America. Started by the French. Suez? I don't even know what that is, but
Don't worry.
Nope.
You'll be back for the next category.
that's alright.
Who's the master of this category?
Well, don't give them free points. Split your answers. Thank you.
Sorry, incorrect answers mean you're out until the next category. Looks like this next category may be the last.
Yeah, if Phoenix can win it.
Film, music,
Entertainment.
television, it's
This is
all
either
in
something
entertainment.
Oh, well. Voices for their 92 film, Tom and Jerry. I've seen that movie multiple times. It is okay. Probably not that great in retrospect, but earlier. Wile E. Coyote?
Don't worry.
Dang.
You'll be back for the next category.
Duncan. No.
We're nearing the end. 6 wedges is
Oh,
all
man.
it takes to win.
If Duncan gets this next one, I lose at the end and
From the page to
Kind
the
of
stage, it's
gonna
arts
choke
and
away
literature.
a wedge lead. Oh, who wrote War and Peace? Tolstoy. Maybe? Please? Yes! That puts me up against Mackenzie, and it's okay if Mackenzie wins. Just not Duncan. Anna Karenina. Fyodor.
Try again.
Alright. Don't know who Dostoevsky is. How about Fyodor again?
The tension
Yes.
is rising.
Victory. Sweet. Had no business getting that one, but I got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner.
Take that, Duncan. Phoenix wins the game. So, with that,
What a show.
it's been another week
See you
of
next
Bird's
time
Brain with
on
Phoenix and
Trivial
Phoenix
Pursuit
TV.
Live.
I hope you enjoyed it. Tune in tomorrow for another episode of You Don't Know Jack. And tune in next week for another round of Trivial Pursuit. It's been Phoenix from Phoenix TV. Thanks for watching.